detail what the design sprint is about, and also all the little things that matter to make really a design sprint what it is in the end, to make really good.
On the one hand side, I learned a lot about the methodology itself, but I also learned a lot about my moderation and skills in general, and this was really great.
You can read the book and you think you know what you're doing. Thanks to the Neon Sprints team, I've got an even deeper understanding what kind of pitfalls to avoid.
I learned a lot of useful little hints and tips that I can also use in my daily work.
I know how the motions work for such a sprint.
Helped me to understand, how to actually implement it practically.
I personally liked everything that had to do with body language, how to present, and how to get the team on board.
And it was also nice to really have a mastermind group to actually speak about the things that, I worried about.
I really liked the hands-on practices or modules where we had to work ourselves.
That we worked on a real case, and it's not just theory, it's really practice, and we had an output.
The highlight was the passion of the trainers and all the hands-on and practical tips.
Especially I liked it a lot because it was to make it very, very much fun.
I already did.
A great workshop, 2 great guys, so go check it out.
Their trainings are very hands-on, very practical, and bring your knowledge onto the next level.
They're really cool trainers, vibes in the room, and it was really fun days.
And I would definitely recommend it to everyone who has had a little bit of experience already with the design sprint and would like to, improve oneself in order to become a better facilitator.
Hey, do you want to find out how to develop successful products faster? Subscribe to our YouTube channel, also to find out on how not to make YouTube videos.